Pakistan is standing at a crossroads with rising fuel costs, worsening climate conditions, and frequent power outages. The question is, can renewable energy be the game changer for Pakistan's future? In this video, we will dive deep into the future of renewable energy in Pakistan with updated stats, real progress, and the challenges that still remain. Stay tuned. As of April 2025, Pakistan is facing an energy shortfall of over 4,000 megawatts during peak summer months. The country still relies heavily on fossil fuels, importing more than 60% of its energy needs, costing the economy around $17 billion annually. Meanwhile, the circular debt in the power sector has reached a record high of 2.9 trillion rupees. But amidst all this, one solution is gaining momentum: renewable energy. Currently, renewable energy contributes around 6.7% to Pakistan's total energy mix. That includes wind 1985 megawatt, solar 630 megawatt, biomass 369 megawatt, hydropower large scale 10,251 megawatt, making up about 24% of the mix. In total, nearly 31% of Pakistan's electricity comes from clean sources including hydropower. But the real game lies in the solar and wind, which are scalable, affordable, and ideal for our climate. Here is a fun fact for you: Pakistan has over 300 sunny days a year. That is an untapped gold mine for solar power. In 2020, Pakistan introduced its alternative and renewable energy policy, aiming for 60% of energy to come from renewables by 2030. Fast forward to 2025, and some key developments include the launch of net metering, which now has over 75,000 active users contributing back to the grid. The Gharo Jhimpar Wind Corridor in Sindh now houses over 24 wind projects. Quaid-e-Azam Solar Park in Bahawalpur continues to expand. Moreover, the World Bank and the Asian Development Bank have committed over $2.3 billion in funding to support renewable energy projects, grid modification, and off-grid solar solutions in Pakistan. The private sector is stepping up too. Companies like Reon Energy, Sky Electric, and Tesla Industries Pakistan are providing rooftop solar and battery solutions to homes and industries. Rural areas in Sindh and Balochistan are now seeing microgrids and solar water pumps powered by local entrepreneurs. In 2025 alone, over 4,000 villages got electrified through renewable sources, cutting dependence on diesel generators. But it is not all sunshine yet. Pakistan faces serious hurdles like lack of energy storage systems for solar and wind. Along with this, outdated transmission infrastructure causing 20 to 25% line loss also adds to the challenges. In addition, import dependency on solar panels and inverters is also a major challenge. Lastly, policy inconsistency and bureaucratic delays are also a major challenge in the way of renewable energy in Pakistan. Without addressing these, scaling up to 60% renewables by 2030 will be a tall order. Pakistan's renewable energy future is full of potential. but only if we act fast, invest smart, and stick to the plan. The world is moving towards a green revolution. Will Pakistan ride the wave or miss the boat? If you found this video insightful, like, comment, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fact based analysis on Pakistan's future.